Assalamualaikum, welcome back. I just wanted to do a quick update on my travel from Karachi to Toronto in this COVID situation and with my pregnancy. I've been told at the airport कि मुझे 14 दिन का quarantine करना है. So let's see how it goes. Flight experience was pretty good actually. मैंने Emirates से fly करा. First मेरा connection था मेरा. I went from Karachi to Dubai, then Dubai to Canada, Toronto. The flight was okay. Dubai airport was pretty dead. Like बहुत dead था. फिर भी लोग थे अच्छे खासे. My plane was pretty full. So as far as social distancing, बीच में बस जैसे 3 लोगों की सीट होती है तो बीच में एक गैप था. There was a person sitting beside me, like मैं, then gap, and then another person. So it was all right. In terms of hygiene and stuff, that was pretty good. They were not serving you anything out of a cup except tea or coffee. And yeah, so it was pretty good actually, to be honest. Overall experience was good. So I guess the travel was pretty safe for me. I guess next is going to the doctor after my 14 days. So let's hope my 14 quarantine days are over तो मैं डॉक्टर को यहाँ जा सकूँ. Until then मैं अपनी पाकिस्तान की दवाइयाँ लाई 14 दिन के लिए. So I'm gonna eat those and continue with those दवाइयाँ. But overall my experience was pretty good. My pregnancy at the moment is very good, alhamdulillah. So it's all good. As far as Emirates की service goes, उनकी तो service बहुत अच्छी होती है. They were not serving anything जैसे बॉटल से ड्रिंक सर्व करते थे या सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक्स या पानी वो सर्व नहीं करते. It was a single serving for everybody. So if you wanted to get a can, if you wanted to get like Pepsi with your meal, well, they would give you those little mini cans and stuff. Pani was in those disposable cups sort of thing. And the service was pretty good. My flight and food was good. It was full though. I'm gonna say it was a packed flight. Flight पे और the पूरा टाइम मास्क लगा के रखना था. The flight attendants were very active about that कि हर कोई मास्क लगाया हुआ है या नहीं. The flight attendant themselves अगर मास्क नहीं पहने हुए थे तो वो face shield पहने हुए थे और mostly मास्क पहन के सर्व करा था. And then they were wearing like an apron sort of thing. Disposable aprons जो होते हैं वो पहना हुआ था. So I was pretty satisfied with my flight. My stay at Dubai got super tiring though. Like I was tired by the end of it. I personally was very extra careful because of my pregnancy as well. So मैं तो अपने साथ wipes, Dettol wipes सब कुछ लेके गई थी. अगर मैं washroom use करी थी on flight या airport पे, I was cleaning every little thing. Then I was using it because the news में सुना के even pregnant women और उनके the baby they're carrying उसको भी affect हो जाता है and the baby can be born with coronavirus. खुदा ना खास्ता. So I was very very careful. मुझसे ज़्यादा मेरे husband थे जो भी, to be honest with you, my husband was on like level, if I was on cloud level 100 and he was then on level 200 because of course it is our first baby after our 2 miscarriages, so we're very cautious with it. Landing in Canada was pretty easy and okay too. यहाँ पे आके मुझे लैंडिंग पे वो जो इमिग्रेशन फॉर्म भरवाते हैं कस्टम्स का वो भरा मैंने. एंड एक और फॉर्म भरा था कि वेयर विल आई बी स्टेइंग एंड इट मेंशन्ड दैट मुझे 14 दिन क्वारंटीन में रहना होगा. सो आई वाज प्रीटी ओके विद दैट. आई हैड द एंटायर बेसमेंट फॉर माई सेल्फ मेरे घर पे, मेरे पेरेंट्स के घर पे. तो मुझे कोई इशू नहीं हुआ 14 दिन में. इट वाज फाइन आई गेस. It was hard though क्योंकि every time because we do have kids in the house मेरी भाभी की माशाल्लाह से. So it was hard, I'm not gonna say it, but it went through I guess. But as such Toronto ने कोई update नहीं करी या चेकअप आके नहीं करा मुझ पर. But they did send me emails as to क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना. So that was okay I guess. इंशाल्लाह फिर मिलेंगे नई वीडियो के साथ, न्यू टॉपिक के साथ. And I'll be sharing more pregnancy updates and doctor visits. So stay tuned. Love.